What's up, techies? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the biggest headlines in the world of technology, AI, and beyond. This week, we've got AI dominating the news, no surprise there, China tech stocks hitting new highs, and a little bit of international espionage thrown in for good measure. Buckle up, let's dive in. Segment 1: AI dominates hype, predictions, and restrictions. First up, AI continues its reign as king of the tech world. TheStreet reports that an analyst who famously predicted Palantir's rally is now picking the best AI software stocks. We're talking potential moonshots. Who are they? What's his rationale? You'll have to head to the article, link in the description, for the deets. But the takeaway is clear. Experts see huge upside in specific AI plays. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The BBC is reporting that a law firm is restricting AI use after significant adoption by its staff. This tells us two things. AI is being used in surprisingly critical industries like law, and responsible usage policies are becoming essential. Is this just a temporary measure or a sign of growing concerns about security and accuracy in AI? Segment 2: AI Geopolitical Maneuvering. The global AI race is on. Al Jazeera reports that the US and UK didn't sign a global AI pact at the Paris summit. Why? Speculation abounds. Is it a difference in regulatory approach? Is it protecting national AI interests? Or are they just hedging their bets for the future? The fact that a global pact is even being discussed speaks volumes about the urgency and potential dangers of AI tech. We'll need to keep an eye on this developing story. Meanwhile, over in China, the competition is heating up. CNBC reports that Baidu is releasing its next-gen AI model this year, and DeepSeek is shaking up the market. This is a clear signal. China is doubling down on AI, and the race for dominance is truly global. Are they a threat to Western companies? Or will there be collaboration? And speaking of the future, according to Business Standard, OpenAI's Sam Altman says they're building AI agents that can do the jobs of engineers. That's right. Is this the future of work? Will AI be replacing high-skilled jobs? Or will it just be automating more menial tasks, freeing up humans for the more creative, fulfilling work? Let me know your thoughts on this down in the comments. Segment 3: China's tech surge and a spy balloon. Let's shift gears to the markets. Bloomberg is reporting that China tech stocks are heading for their highest level since the reopening rally. Is this a sign of China's economic recovery? Are these stocks undervalued? If you're considering investing in this sector, do your research and be aware of the risks involved. Now, for something a little more intriguing, NDTV reports that the Chinese spy balloon that flew over the US last year was apparently packed with American technology. That's right, American tech in a Chinese spy balloon. How did that happen? What does this say about our supply chains? This is a stark reminder of the complexities of globalization and the potential for technological vulnerabilities. Segment 4: Apple Health Tracking and Big Tech Spending. Changing gears, Mint reports on a new study showing that iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods can detect health changes. This is huge for preventative healthcare. Are we headed towards an era where our devices are our personal doctors? Is this a good thing for our overall health, or are there privacy implications to be wary of? And finally, AI News reports that big tech is dropping a cool $320 billion on AI. That is more than some countries' entire GDP. Are we in a tech bubble? Can these companies justify this kind of spending? Will it result in actual useful technology, or just a bunch of expensive AI projects that don't actually solve any problems? Alright, that's all the tech news for this week. What are your thoughts on these stories? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news, reviews, and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.